This vendor payment tracker is perfect if you're planning a party or if you're an event planner yourself. This is helpful to make sure that your vendors have been paid, what's the status of it, what's the due date, and things like that. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel, and you can buy it on my website at savvyandthriving.com. So here we go. So we can put in the vendor's name. So say this is the cake company. And the event, say this is going to be a wedding. And then the name of the vendor, we can put their name, their phone, email, and website link. The item, so we're going to buy, 2 cakes. And then the category, let's say food. And then the cost. And then how much have we paid? The date we paid. And then the status, if it's pending, deposit paid, or paid in full. So we're going to write down it's paid in full. Let's say the due date was the 27th. And then the payment method was a check and any notes. The notes are a great place to put notes about the vendor, whether or not you want to use that vendor again, and things like that. So this is a super easy sheet to use. I do have another larger bundle that is for an event planner. If you have an event planning business or if you are just planning an event, this sheet is on there. So feel free to check that out on my website. I have over 400 sheets to keep your business, your home, and your budget organized. So let me know if you have questions. I hope you have a great day.